Good evening, everyone. Okay, we are fine. Seems to be. I need to stop all of this. Come on. Okay. Seems fine. Again, music. All good. Yep. So we are back with Team Hospital modding. So I looked into this booked log library and I found what was the thing. Not really clear for me why, because if you will try to look into this, it gives me a hint that this auto flush by default is true. So if I will just use this function like that, and from that I thought that this should work even without this function, but for some reason it doesn't work. Apparently I need to read more documentation on this library later, but at least I made it to print stuff. So before it was printing only after I close the game. So when this DLL is unloading. So I found that it buffers all the logs and drops them at the end. So it's like usual behavior of this library, and to make it to print in real time you need to modify async, so called. So they got like they call these things asyncs, the places where you want to log. So I use console and file. So I'm using console sync and file sync. There you can see the type. It's something atrocious for me. Why it's so freaking long, and it's just a type. So I think it's something to deal with async and multi-thread access. But the end is the synchronous sync and text or stream, which is actually octet stream as far as I understand. And there's text file backend in synchronous sync. Oh. Okay, StreamerBot started. Now. So game is working. Yeah. I will trigger it. It will inject, and we can see the logs here. There you can see the new logs, and also it's logging Where is this file? I think it's near the hospital itself. So yep, there is our theme hospital file. You can see this timestamp is correct. I can even open this file. That's the main problem was before. So if I will reconnect this, so we will not see it here because that's how Notepad works. But you can see there's a couple new lines. And actually I can do like that. And by using simple get content, I can use the correct file first of all. And we can see this. And we will hop and connect again. It's updated in the real time. That's what I need. So now I can either use a console or either use a PowerShell. I think I will use this window because it will anyway shows up or not, because it's annoying that this window is always appearing on the second monitor because it only appears on the main monitor, and the main monitor is the left one. And I don't want to change them. I made it for a reason. So I can just ignore this and show you this. If I will open PowerShell in the correct folder. I can just plunk it here, so it's always here. Also, I thought about one thing and I want to check it. Can I unload the DLL? By logic, it should work, because it's annoying to restart the game every time. I want to load and unload the DLL. Unload injected DLL. Oh, let's get code LLM thinking. Okay, I have a DLL. I injected. Inside the DLL, I increment the module's reference counter by calling get module handle X, so I control when the module is unloaded. At this point, the module reference count should be 2 from both of those API calls. When the calling process shut down, it calls unhook, incrementing the reference count to 1. The DLL has a thread that waits on a few things. One of them being the handle of the process that called set window hook. When the process goes away, the DLL does some cleanup, terminates all thread, clean up memory and handles and the call. Free library and exit thread. Now gets unloaded. There are a few processes, especially those without a UI. An UI. A UI. Forgot. Where the DLL never gets unloaded. I'm pretty confident I have cleaned up everything, and I know for a fact that none of my threads are running. Okay, instead of calling anti-query information process yourself, you should be able to get that information from WinDebug, at least during this troubleshoot phase. Hook DLLs are injected and removed when the target was bumps messages. That's the only time it is safe to inject code into the thread. Okay, here goes. There are many ways to get the model into a process. Documented way. I found the cause of the problem and a solution. I honestly feel quite stupid for missing it and struggling with it so long. My usual day. As I mentioned in the original problem, the processes that are problematic do not have an UI. Turns out they do have a message pump running. The problem is nothing is sending message to this process without a UI after we call unhook. That would trigger the unloading. In fact, I believe MSDN does state that window messages are not sent to a process when calling unhook. By broadcasting them null to all processes after the injecting process calls unhook, message pump wakes up. Oh, it's not what I want. Okay, show more. To unload an injected DLL, you can follow this step. Create a function inside the DLL to handle unloading. The function should be exported so it can be called from the process that injected the DLL. In the unload function, ensure that any hook or detours you have set up are removed. This will prevent the target process from crashing. Before unloading, check if your hook is not executing by adding a boolean to ensure this will help prevent issues during the unloading process. Once the necessary cleanup has been done, use free library function to unload the DLL from the target process. However, if the DLL is injected into a different process, you can directly call free library from the injecting process. Instead, you need to call it from within the DLL itself. You can do this by exporting a function. So get module handle free library. So basically I need these two things. Okay, let's try. I think I will just add a WebSocket command on load. Or first I can try void unhook DLL. So where is my if copy? Okay, should work. And then for the start we got the hook, and here I will add a sleep for like 15 seconds and call this function. So sleep is working like that, milliseconds. Okay, let's see. Because I don't use any detours or something like that right now, I don't need to pretty much check anything. Come on, why so slow? Yeah, build. So now let's start the game again. Inject. We got this. We got this and disconnect. I will need this window. Most of the logs is blocked by me. Okay. A. Where is it? Okay. 15 seconds. Nothing happened. Let's see. Or in our case, C++. Okay, unload. Unload. Will I be able to do it here? LG is undefined. It's here. Okay, come on. How I used it. Here. How you can see it's here. I'm creating this every time. Okay, it will not work. Just can I move this part outside? It's using namespace. Can it be here? And then can this be here? Just it's a type. It's thinking. Build. Okay. Let me see if this is even called. So we are waiting for nothing for now. Now we need to wait 15 seconds. And this window should disappear. Yep. So function is working. But it doesn't unload anything. Ah! That's not what I wanted. Now let's look. Get module handler. And it doesn't throw any errors, but it can return some errors. Get module. Retrieve the module handler for the specified module. The module must have been loaded by the calling process. The name of the loaded module, either DLL or executable. If it's submitted, which we are doing, the default library extension is the file name. The file name if the parameter is null, returns the handle to the file used to create the calling process in the file. So we are basically getting a handler of a Vim hospital. Well, and second, free library. Okay, free library. Free the loaded dynamic link library module. So I need name of my module. Okay, where's my injector? Get process by name. Okay. Print usage. Process ID. Inject DLL. Hash process. This all. Location. DLL path. There is a path. There is no name of the module. Okay, let's see. Free return. If the return value is non-zero, If fails, return value is 0. And return value is bool. It's 3. Started. Build. Injected. Is free 1. But why we're still here? Wait. Non-zero, okay, 1. Context. Where is the answer? Nowhere. Please create one more move trade. Open process, view process by name. Let's go. Can't unload the library. Okay, you're using that again. Get exit code thread call after wait a single object. free library indexed thread. Increment the reference count loaded dynamic link library by 1 and false exit thread. Handle to the DLL module reference count. The function document on library good module handle X returns this handle. Hello 765, audio is off, daylight saving the messing with me. I got a lot of sleep past few days. Have a great stream. Thank you. You still change times there. We're still changing here also, and I don't remember at which weekends it will be changed back. Okay, doesn't have the ball injected without crashing. Get handle to the modules and call free library. That doesn't work. Wait a minute, and free library. Let me check it. It's required. Handle to the loaded library module. The hell? Like hiking? Why you? Nice. Unload. Exit library. Exit thread address. But there is no second param. They lead again here, but how can I find the leap module? Because load library is called from the injector and I don't see it. Retrieve the module handled with a specified module, get module handled, but basically this. Exit code, the calling address. I think it must be 0, no? Exit code, double word. can I see the all codes which I can use? Void. Okay, I can't use this. This. Close. Faster. Okay, start again. Inject. We got it here. Come on, 15 seconds. Disconnect. And nothing. Okay, so for now we will not use it and deal with it later. Okay. So what I was doing before then? I was doing a manager, quick manager. So we're creating this, address set index use. I created this and I discovered that I'm dumb and I forgot how to properly use brackets. So eventually I was able to create this quick manager, I think. So I get the program and you open the port and I can control too. Technically it's possible to do it like that, but it's not a good idea to do it. Where is the WebSocket thread? So if I will pass here my internet address, which is visible to all people, and open the ports to this, so yes, using any WebSocket client, and if you know the structure of the message, you can send the message. But that's why I'm using channel points for this. It will be interface for the users. So I limit the control. But yes, like why I decided to do it with a WebSocket and not a console or something else. So it can be flexible and you can do a lot of things with it, but you need to be careful with what you give to the viewers. But basically, yes, it will be just WebSocket injected into the game, which got predefined commands, and any WebSocket client can connect to it and send them. Okay, let me check what Quake Manager does. I already forgot for this week. So it's supposed to create this index used. Okay, so next step is to create the Quake next. Just should I call it Quake next or should I replace it with Quake, because we're not supposed to actually use the Quake from the game. So I pretty much don't need this. Okay, for now I will leave it like that. So Quake Manager, it creates an array of indexes which I need to change when I activate a Quake. So for this, it's a constructor, it's a set index. Why it returns array. It's inside function, so basically I can move it to the private. This function shouldn't be accessible from anywhere. So next function for the manager is to we will get the message. I need to parse it into the special structure and swap the Quake next. I need an address for this Quake next. This set Quake next. It again will be private function. Where is my Ghidra? Luckily for us, it's again a static memory in the game. So I can get the pointer to this address, and this will be all. And I will just replace the value on this address. Ghidra, why you decided to do it? Okay, opened. So we got this 16 booleans. Now Quake next. Find use of. It should show me this place. So there is the address and the offset. This one, E11 B7. Okay. So it will be Quake next pointer. For this, we need to include quick next hash, which is here. And what's wrong? Why you can see it? You're in the freaking same folder. Cannot open. Open. Quick manager, and no. Quick next is here. Ooh. Quick next hash remove. Add existing item. Quick next hash. Now why you don't see it? Now let's see. Okay, this remove. And existing item, quick next plus plus. Okay. Quick manager, you get this and quick next set, quick next. Oh, did you watch Dune Part 2 or wait for stream? No, I still didn't watch it. I don't even know if we got it in the local cinema, and of course it will be in French. What will I understand? So I will be waiting the electronic release and watch later. At least in English, but I think I will be waiting for Russian version. So let's basically duplicate this, but we will change this. Quick next set, quick next this quick next offset. Hey, quick next. We will again cast it to the return value does not match the function type. I think it's glitch. We'll ignore it for now. And here we are setting this, so it should be fine. Okay, it's built. Now let's how can I print it again? Well, main. Well, basically I need this, but we don't have anything of this here. So no, it's internal. I will not be able to see it outside. Well, I will have to copy all of this, you say, for now. And all of this boost. Think like that. And also this. Come on, boost. Work, please. And we got problems with symbols. Usually for this, I think you need a separate logging class. New header logger and source file logger. Remove all of this. Now we will create a class. Logger. Oh, it's Ash. What am I doing? Logger. Include logger. Next. I got log init. I can basically grab this and move it here. public, private. Yep. Void. Now. Some reason some messages doesn't go to the YouTube. Strange. So logging. I will grab all of this. And I think all of this. We can put it here. Should find it. Nope. Let's try here. Boost log. It should be in core. I didn't forget any. The little main ash. There is it. Oh, it's empty. Okay, what's wrong here? Undeclared. Of course. I forgot to get rid of you from here. Debug. Logging is not a class or namespace. Okay. Undeclared. I can't. Login need. Yep, I don't need this for now. And actually, I need to grab this from here to here. Expected end of file. You again need this precompile headers. We even built. Now here I need to somehow create a logging function. Must be public log let's string void logger log std string text, and from here I will simply call this. Do I need a standard string here? It will find the import somehow. Nope, string is not as imported. Your stream. I don't remember where it is. Oh, define header string. Void. Oh, we even built. Okay, so if I will logger new logger logger. But I will get a logger here, not in the thread. So if I will get it here, why you don't see logger sorry. Oh, and of course I can pass it like that. It's a little bit cheater. here we will set this logger. Logger. Double. And then I will be able to just use logger log. It's not that beautiful, but so how can I print it? Just my C++ print F. How? But it's not a printf, it's sprintf, I think. Because f put is also wrong. Stream just put just the out as printf. Write formatted data to string. In C++ there is no such. My mic suddenly lost. The hell? Hello, what happened with my USB again? My mouse started lagging, my microphone started losing power. Interesting. Just again, in JS, I think. Print. No. Where I saw this function. Yes, they all like got either stream, either buffer as a parameter and return amount of bytes or characters. They don't have a function which returns a formatted string. C++ return formatted string. Creating, not printing. As print. Yes, any way to shorten? As print. This is not safe. PSN print. No, again, return type is integer. Don't use sprintf. Will overflow your string buffer and crash your program. Maybe string and do something. String. Constructor. Okay. Where is it? Printf. Not printf. VF print. Yep, I can't use it like that. Char should be fine. From int to std basic string. To char pointer, but it's basically the same, no? Oh, that's what I'm. Is incompatible with type. Click next to the double word. a list. What? Arc list. Buffer format arcs. It requires a specific argument. Printf GmbH list. Why they all require this be a list? Yes, printf. This should be. Where is the format stuff? See format. Okay. Where is the hexadecimal floating point? Pointer address. Ooh, yeah. Will it work? Let's try. Nope. As printf, this function or variable may be unsafe considering as print fs. Oh my fun. Initializing cannot convert from logger pointer to logger. Because okay. Now it's complaining. No, much is the argument. Let's print f correct usage. Where's the reference? As printf char pointer buffer size. Okay. So size of I don't remember. Buff. One character might be with plus the non-terminator. Zero. Sn print f. Are you serious? It's like a dummy function to return the size. Not bad, not bad. Sn printf only add integer, it's not a size t. Okay. It's a buffer. Okay, now buffer size 0, buffer format. Okay. Format this. Okay, so I will get size like that, and I can actually create buffer of the size +1. But it will not work because it requires a constant size. Then size of buff. Okay, let's try like that. Should print it anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Too many arguments passed for format string. Because I forgot to add actual format. Initialized buff. It will not work. It requires the size, but it will not work here. Of course, I can change the setting, I think. All options, array. Static. There was an option, I think, somewhere to allow non-static sizes. Extension. Strange. Can't find it. Expression may have a constant value. Value of variable size cannot be used as a constant. Char pointer buffer size. Let's see if I will use this. Like that. But size will be size of four bytes. This will lead to error, I think, because it will create only 4. And this again complaining. So I did logging only harder for me. Can I pass anything into logger instead of string? Any type. The void or just standard any. It's inside any. Like that, I should be able to pass anything and the logger will do it for me. No, apparently. Oh. Any is only for C++ 11 and 17 and higher. Why I'm using old standard? Cool. No, apparently. It doesn't like any other value. Binary, no operator found which take a right hand operator. There is no acceptable conversion. But is there anything else? Of course, we can do a reload. Nope. Oh, that's the. Oops. What? Okay. String is not a member. Because I forgot to return back. Come on. No overloading. Because I'm passing here pointer. I need to convert it into the integer, or at least to double word. Yeah, now it's working. Let's try. And we got an address. Calculator. And we can see it's a correct one. Yep, for E11B7. And I can log index next. What we got in the Quake next? I forgot I put it there. They are private for now, but just for testing I can move them. Okay, we click here. We'll see. Enabled. Game tick and severity. For this I need to actually load the level. Come on. Pause them. Connect debugger. Open the memory. We got this is a tick. There is a severity and there is a enabled. Now, is this build? Build. I forgot to remove this cast, but I think it will work anyway. Let's inject. And let's see. Interesting. It doesn't do anything. Or there is a timeout. I forgot. No, quick manager comment thread. Okay. Oh no, there is no delay. Oh, injector is stuck. Interesting. Because the debugger isn't here. I made apparently some breakpoints for this. Okay, let's remove it. So we got this. Where is my logs? We got address. We got available one. Tick is 47. We can see that 1278 is this, and severity is 3. Okay. Detach and quit. Well, far so good. Kinda. So we got all we need for the manager. Now we actually need to do stuff with a WebSocket. So let's go back here. We need our WebSocket thread. Now, here we are waiting for the connection, then we do session, and here we are waiting for messages. There is our switch for now. Now, how can I pass a logger there? I don't really want to use it like that. There are the static classes in C++. Static class. How to create a static class? No. There is no such thing as static class in C++. Closest approximation is a class that only contains static data members and static methods. Static data members in a class are shared by all the class objects, as there is only one copy of them in the memory. Oh my, fun! So if I will get my logger, login it to call it here. Expense for Robert. Of course, nothing I think prevents me from creating another logger here. they will work fine, I think, between each other. So waiting for message, and let me get here. So I basically wanted to avoid repeating all of this, and now I repeating all of this. Okay. Next one is here. Okay, should build. Sorry for the kick chat, I barely see you. ChatGPT solves all your questions. Not all, but a lot of them. Hello, are you real? Yes, I am real, but I'm too busy to look at the chat up there. Unfortunately, StreamerBot doesn't have a integration for StreamerBot yet. Because someone still didn't release a proper public API. Waiting for connection. Okay, so we built this. Now, comments. We are waiting in this loop, reading a message. Oh, I can use make printable, I think, from Beast. Some things at least. Look, no instance matches the argument list. Interesting, what will happen? I will just pass data. It's a buffer. Can I generate? What the hell you just did? Why it can just generate the new method of this? Oh. Come on. Give me the type. Make printable. Can I copy this? Why you don't show the freaking type you require? These types sometimes. How can I use this? Like in shorter version. I think it will not find all of this stuff. If I will grab you, it will be enough. Oh, I need this also in the here. Fish. Build, cancel. Missing function header. Already a problem. Missing function header. Not fun. this one, and this one. Oh, we built. Okay. Now. Interesting. Maybe I could do it simpler. What the difference between this call and this call? Beast buffer to string. It returns std string. It returns boost beast make printable adapter mutable buffer. What's wrong here? That was required. So this, and this. So I can actually, that's the same thing. You can get rid of this. And get rid of this. This was all for nothing. And also I need to return this to the private. Generating. Come on. Yes. Okay. Close all but this. So now we're getting messages. I was parsing them using something. Message parse. Where is the message class? It doesn't know where the message class. Neither do I. So from WebSocket we are getting basically a string, which is JSON underneath. I think I remember doing this stuff. WebSocket tests and what was this? But I was changing this, I think. I was sending it not like a command, but like a string. Where I had it. So Quake wrapper action send command. I was getting this. Okay. Ah, nope. Got so many streamer bots, so I already lost where I did what. Socket test, I see here. Okay, this is my version where I use this. Client. Apparently this is it. There is a client send. Yeah, interfaces. And serialized command. Okay, let me update it. We will make here which come on. Hospital streamer mod. So I want to try and send a Quake. Now it will be one Quake. will be test trigger severity. Okay, I will not use it here. And we need vs send, which is already used. Here. Group rename. Grab this. Add vs send. Just send. So I will separate like actions for generating commands in game and for the WebSocket to send it. The first, we are connecting. No, there is easier to go from the back. Docs StreamerBot. C#. It's only available in C#. WebSocket. Custom server. Nice. WebSocket broadcast JSON. Send a JSON payload to all clients connected to StreamerBot WebSocket. We don't need this. Broadcast a message to a custom WebSocket server. Where is it? It's actually this. Get connection by name. It's again for the custom server, not for the client. Check if configure WebSocket client is connected. Send data over a configured WebSocket client. I think this I need. Yep. Client send. Execute WebSocket send. Yes. So we need basically string data. Where is my current version? Not method. Core C# code. So basically execute will do this. But connection ID. because all of this, where is get connection by name, is for the servers. You can't find the connection ID for clients, as far as I know. Because if I will try, var connection name. Then yeah, it's even give you an example as a name. Var connection ID. StreamerBot logo info connection ID. Where is the log of this? This connection ID up1. Huh, it works. That's good if it's true. No. It returns again 1 for some reason. If I will pass an empty string, it will return 1. Why? Interesting. Now we got 0. Strange. Okay, we don't know. But I think we can do this on connect. And there we can find client opened, and we can select which we want. And if we will connect, and it will not open because the server is not started, it will drop into error after some time, I think. Now we will go and inject. We got injected. Ink for connection, nice. Then connect, we get connected. Strange, here logs are strange. but here they are fine. Okay, so after we get this, we can get basically this ID. Opened, send. Let me check. Disconnect. Can I duplicate this? Just for giggles. Connect. We are connected. It will get general website connected. Yes, ID is 2, but I need to change it here. And again, disconnect, connect. We will get on connect. And again, ID is 2. So on connect, we will just set our global. Core. Globals. Global set. Non-persistent. I don't need it. Or yeah, we don't need, because if we will close StreamerBot and open again it will connect again and it will save this again. Okay, so th with connection ID argument with IDX, just in case, copy and paste. I don't need this, it's because it's argument already. So we will get this in global. So here I need this global get variable with connection ID. It will be just connection ID. By default 0 or -1 even. Here we will if check args return false. Now we need bool check args. Here we will check if I need this connection ID. Try get value connection ID. Also, I need to check here. Or I don't know, I think I will do it like that. We'll just remove it here. And if there is no value, it will return empty string usually. So connection ID. If we will pass this, we can get args connection ID to string. It's an object. Okay, I will use methods from StreamerBot itself. I have it here. Okay, so brooms. Okay. I did it a little bit different here, for fun's sake. I need this back. Args. Connection ID to string. Okay. So let's connect. We got non-persistent value as int 1, and if we will try to send it, we should see connection ID 1. And there is connection 1. So we got here WebSocket send. It was sending to the wrong server. Try again. We see it here, and you don't see, I think. So here. And hello world is kinda here, but something happened. Okay, apparently it's better for now to use these logs. Okay, so we are getting a lot of stuff for some reason. Okay. So to send we need this. Don't need this. Then we need, ouch, our messages. For now I got two commands. Close and quake. Let me copy this, maybe. Does it even compile? Yep. So we got a command. Command name goes from args which we also need to check. Okay. So for this we need this set argument name quake. This should call the C# method. Oh, so many. But I first need to... no, not a method. We need to call action. Send. Name. So generate command. It returns a command. We need I command. Which is here. Interesting. Can I put it outside this? Only class. It's a method. I cannot use it like that. Good. So I can place class outside, but I can place a method. But I can just basically add it into I command, which I lost somewhere. There is our I command interface. Yeah, that's a problem. Can interface contain an implementation? I don't think so. Of course, I can make a public class, something like command factory, and place it here. Make it static class and make it public static method. For dictionaries, I need this public static class factory, generate command, public static, command create public static enum command. Interesting. Can I also put it here? Uh, 72. Static is not valid. Okay. 78. Consistent accessibility. Return type I command is less accessible than method. Command factory generate. New public interface. Okay, generate command does not exist because where is it? There is. I need to use it as a static method. Command close does not exist. Where is it? Command close. I think I will move all of this up here. And we are back to the classic problem with PPH. I cannot log here. Okay. So we can generate command from command name and args. Args for close and the quake. Close. We need just the code. And for this we need severity. Okay, duplicate just. Okay. For example, 3. Remote. Close. We need here again recent command name. Close and duplicate code 0, for example, and you will be using again action, run action, and test. So if I will send this, we should close this connection. But it doesn't work. It's still here. Because I don't close from my side. That's much simpler. I forgot. It doesn't read any commands now. Okay, so we are creating commands that are code, and here we are generating them. Yeah, and we also sending only this message. This is a command, but we need to wrap it into the message, which contains message application app. Message itself looks like that. Public class message. So I made a little cheat here, and I send command already as a string. I think I will leave it for now like that. I will remove this cheat later. Now it will be easier pasting. If command equal null, each log debug can't generate a command. Command name and return false. Okay. So this is a message, and then convert it into the string and send it here. So now we should see a different message here. Strange, we don't see anything. Maybe there is an error which I didn't see. Debug, please. And can generate a command quick. I need to see if they're case sensitive. Yes. Quick. Let's test, and we see this stuff. Why it's printing several times? I don't understand. Maybe because I created several loggers and they all logging the same thing. Oh my fun. Apparently it's a problem. Let me try and fix it. I need to close it. So we can do a singleton. Where is my logger? Class. Logging. Logger. Let me see. Private one. Logger instance. But I don't understand what the actual is instance of a logger here. I can make instanced. What's wrong? Base undefined. Nice. Stop this. If instance return or even here. Should it help? Oh, wait. Can I also pass this here? So they will be the same format. Okay, that seems fine. Inject. So far so good. Connect. Now if I will send the close there, we got command and okay. Here we got again, but argument, set argument, up name, THSM. Next argument, up name. Up. Okay, and now this and this. What name? And up name goes here. So now we should send the correct name. THSM. Okay. So close this. Gotta go away. So we got a message. Header file. New item. Header. Message. Class. Message. Close. Let me check it from here. So I can basically copy this, but I will need to redo it a little bit. So public is the string. Command name, and the command for now is also string. Also public modifiers doesn't work like that. Up command. We don't need a constructor. Like that. We need to include string. Now we need a parse method. Which returns a message. Raw message. Okay. New item. Message. Include message. So we need message parse. Where I did it already. Header. Th message, no? Listen. Parse. Subject parse. Teach event. That was. But I changed a little bit the structure. Okay. So we will get a string here. So basically I can do this. Another. So message include message. Got message which we need to parse, and it should create a structure. I remember I did it. Up. That's my file. Current. It's in the wrong folder. Okay. What's wrong? A non-static member reference must be relative to a specific object. Okay. Now it's better. Yeah. So we pass here a string. We need to parse it into the object. Again, with my previous project, I already did this. Teach events. It ash. Parse. So here I get JSON object already. Because it's a command itself, not a message. Again, go here. I parse this as object message. Teach event parse. Okay, I parse an object here, and I just manually did this. Are you serious? Boost can do it better. Boost JSON. Parse string into a class. Okay, reference. How to convert class to JSON string? I want back. This is not fairly easy because C++ doesn't have JSON support. Neither does Boost. Okay, we got classes. We got parser. Functions parse into. Oh, I remember this thing. I already did this. Come on. Where all of this? Where did I lost all of my work? Maybe it's here, actually. I remember I was working with parse into. Just here all of my attempts. And still, it's this events. Okay, let's open. Okay, see. Oops. I hope I didn't delete accidentally all of this code. That can be right. Oh, I think it's even here. It was an WebSocket test, I think. Ah, there is the message, there is a command. For fun's sake, I completely forgot about this part of my code. Are we good? Twitch. Seems fine. There is my parse into and stuff. There is parse function. So I was getting this one message. I was passing here a string. That's a copy of this code. I completely forgot about it. So there is actually string view. And there is our parse function. So we're getting raw message. Message header. I need both JSON. So this in the header, please. Should be fine. Logging. Go away. So this basically works, but I need to describe the structure. I need this. Here. Now we got message. Okay, nothing. Then we got up, command name and command. Then we got method, message string view parse. Constructor, empty constructor. Can I work without it? Now both describe is missing. We will need this. I think it should have this. Let's try and build. Failed. Counts buffer requirement not met. What? Buffer to string. Post this detail. Buffer to string doesn't work. Expected end of file. Include ph hash. PCH, sorry. Console. And build. Oh, it doesn't like this conversion from buffer. I think this one. I did it here, it was working fine. Which one exactly giving this error? Because before it worked fine, so apparently this one is giving this error. No. Again. admin that this somewhere here. Let me return the empty constructor. The string view. Okay, let's see. Still doesn't like it. Boost one static assert conf buffer. They will mine. Define conversion array. Missing ID. Make printable. Okay, like that it works. I messed up. I see. I didn't destroy this part of the function. I was moving this. And that's how it should work. So it will parse this and we will lock this and this. Yep. So let's try. Start. And in we get the correct timestamp. Okay. We connected. Test. Up. Command. Waiting. Okay. Noise. So now this switch I want to actually move to the again command factory. Let me create new filter, commands, and I will create commands here, and actually it will be faster to create a couple text documents. Command. Okay, let me do it like that. Okay, now we got interesting item. Theme and Ash. Where is it? Yes. So we will get first of all class command factory public static generate. Okay, we'll call it like on the other side. Here we will get as to the string name and as to the string body. Expected. Okay, and it will return command. The C++ I can use the interface as I know. Yep, because how you will do object-oriented program without interfaces. C++. Interface test. What? Commands. Create. Well, again, I think create in the wrong place. So it's easier. I command hash and I command interface does not get body. Include I command hash. Command will be I command interface, and it got where is our so this is basically a name. The string name. Include string. Yeah, correct. Interface is undefined. Excuse me? Did I... Interface class? Huh? Interface, C++ interface I implement using abstract classes. So I just need to create class with a header and nothing else? Abstract classes cannot be used to initialize the object and serves only as interface. Okay. But what prevents me from instantiating this class? Okay. Apparently nothing. So to generate this, we are getting name and body. There will be a switch. We don't need this. Or we need. Can I use private enum here? And this should be actually be okay, let me do it like that. C++ enum name. Obligate enum item name. No, I need enum value from name. Type enum to string. That's awful. Name of can I do it like that? Switch by name is I don't have expression has type comments as of required string. Yeah, I see this. Ah, C++ can't use strings in switch or switch instruction. Switch statement. Okay. No, I can by case, by char at least. You can use an inverted value just like an integer. Okay. You know what? It's required an integer here. Levels map. Enter a level, but if person will enter a freaking string, what will you do? Library, I don't want a library. Before I was switching like that. What? How? Shouldn't work then. Let me do this, but it will not work. Expected end of file again. Where is this? Recompiled header. What? It built? But how? If it complained that there is an error. Let's inject. Maybe it will crash on the runtime. I need to connect first. Connect. And test. I never run this command. Okay. So commands generate command message command name and message command. Now we need to include commands arch. Why you can't find it? Okay, found. Maybe that's why there is no error, because I never included this file. Yep, There it is. And also this, for some reason. Class, comments factory. Naming. And the command should be actually just name now. Okay. Logger again complaining. Yep, because I lost this. So this is not working. Interesting why this worked before. Where is my WebSocket test? Because here, for some reason, it's okay. Field, command name. Ah, I see. It's not a freaking string, cause really. I messed up with a message structure. Message, where are you? Comments. I got enum here. I need to get this somehow into here, apparently. So boost private. Describe go here. I comment. Why it's in I comment. It's in the comment factory. No. That's why I got them separately. That's easier to use for now, at least. So I need this here and remove this. And now it should work. And in the message, I need to include comments. Mash. Okay, come on. Should work. Cannot open file. Comments. There is typo. Unexpected. What? Expected an expression instead of a type. Okay, build. Come on, don't glitch. Come on. Fish. I need to go. Test. Let's quickly test. Inject. Connect. We got the connection. And let's trigger this. We got empty. Yeah, because I never set an actual like it returns an empty I command. Okay, so at least it doesn't crash. You just need to place here the actual functions to create the commands. So I started finally doing commands on the game side, so I hope we will be making progress faster than. So that will be all for today. I will see you all maybe on Friday, I don't know yet. On the next week I will be here. So, as always, thank you everyone who joined us. Thank you 765 for his couple of words. I will see you next time. Have a good rest of your day. Have a good rest of your week. And if I will not be here on Friday, so have a good rest of your week and have a good weekend. Bye bye. I have to run.